Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your YouTube monetization settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your YouTube channel and ensure you're logged in. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Monetization. If you're eligible, you will see an option to follow the on-screen prompts to start the application process. You will need to agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms. Read the terms carefully, then click on I accept. Next, set up an AdSense account if you don't have one already. Follow the instructions to create and link your AdSense account. Once your AdSense account is linked, go back to the Monetization tab in YouTube Studio. Choose your monetization preferences for video types. You'll see options for different ad formats, including skippable ads and non-skippable ads. Select your preferred ad formats based on your content type. You can also choose to enable channel memberships if applicable. For additional revenue, consider enabling merchandise shelf if you have products to sell. Review your monetization settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click on Save. After you complete these steps, wait for YouTube to review your application. Check back to the monetization page for updates on your application status. Once approved, you can start earning money from your content. Congratulations on configuring your YouTube monetization settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.